Hello everyone, welcome back to the DesignGold channel. Today, we're going to discuss how easy it is to create Azure Cutters in DesignGold. Azure is known to be a challenging aspect of our modeling process, but with DesignGold for Rhino, we've made it much simpler. We've deeply optimized this feature, allowing you to adjust the shape of Azure, add or remove points, merge points, and support both surfaces and meshes. After execution, you can conveniently edit and continue modifying Azure. That's all for today's video. Did you find it inspiring? If you have any good suggestions or features you'd like to see, please let us know. Together, let's improve our features and solve more problems. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed our features, remember to subscribe to our channel. We'll be rolling out more powerful functions in the future.